Today, we're going to explore frontal rainfall, a type of rain that occurs when two different air masses meet. It is especially common in the UK and other temperate regions. Let me break it down into some simple, easy to follow steps. Frontal rainfall happens when a warm air mass meets a cold air mass. These two air masses have different temperatures and densities, and as such, they don't mix easily. Where they then meet is called the front, and this is where the rainfall occurs. Because warm air is lighter and less dense, it is forced to rise over the heavier, denser, cold air. As it rises, the warm air begins to cool down, and this is the process that sets off the rainfall. As the rising air cools, the water vapor condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. The type of cloud formed depends on the type of front. Warm fronts create wide, layered stratus clouds that have the potential to bring steady rain, whereas a cold front creates tall cumulonimbus clouds, leading to heavier and more intense showers. When enough condensation occurs, precipitation falls as rain along the front. At a warm front, where a warm air mass moves towards and over a retreating cold air mass, rainfall tends to be gentle and prolonged, as the air rises slower and covers a larger area. At a cold front, which is when cold air masses move towards and under a warm air mass, rainfall is usually heavier but shorter, as the warm air is forced to rise quickly over the top. As the weather system moves, the front also moves, bringing changing weather conditions. After a warm front passes, the air feels milder. After a cold front, temperatures drop and the weather becomes clearer. So now you know how frontal rainfall forms. When warm and cold air masses meet, the warm air rises, cools, condenses, and produces rain. The next time you see a grey, rainy day sweeping across the UK, you can bet it is caused by a front moving through the atmosphere.